You tell me about this bird. So what sort of bird is it?
It's a Cornado.
It's a Cornado bird, yep.
And they eat fish, but sometimes they see one on the top of their house tree, and then they eat them. And then when he came back home, he saw lots of fish that were in his house, and they were cooked and they don't talk. And then he ate them all up, and he got hungry, and he ran away, and he jumped, and he walked back up to his treehouse, and then he walked back in the treehouse.
Yeah.
And then he stayed in there all day until he went out for a job again and find something else to eat.
Really?
And then when he came back, he saw lots of things to eat.
Did he really?
Yeah.
All right. Is there any Cornado birds down the shack?
Yeah, I heard some on the way up.
You heard some, did you?
Yeah, I think.
Where were they?
I think Cornado birds only fly back to their house, but they don't stay in their house all day.
Rightio. And do they eat anything else apart from fish?
Yes.
What do they eat?
Sometimes some people go to bull ants' houses.
To bull ants' houses, do they?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And good bull ants, they don't eat people, they eat other stuff.
Oh, like what? What do bull ants eat?
The story was in October.
Yeah.
And in October, he had a birthday with lots of people, and they were eating lots of cake.
Who's that? The bull ants, friends?
Yeah.
Really?
The bull ants. There was 2 bull ants, or like 4 or 5 or 6.
Oh, yeah.
Or 8.
Oh, rightio. 8 bull ants, and they're having a party in October.
Yeah.
Oh, who else has got a birthday in October?
Me.
Really?
And his granddad.
Granddad has too, has he?
No.
Who?
Has Granddad always have his party?
I can't remember, buddy. Daddy can't remember what Granddad's birthday is. Mummy will know. Anyway, maybe we'll see some Cornado birds later, do you think?
Yeah, I think I might see some when it's a bit more lighter, and when it's morning, when me and my mum go down to the beach.
All right.
I think I might hear some Cornados and some bull ants.
Really? We just saw a bull ant, didn't we, down near the park?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, that bull ant's actually gone.
It's gone, is it actually? All right.
And bull ant people, they eat fish and sharks and everything in the whole wide world.
Do they really?
Yes.
That's amazing, buddy.
And those are called really special bull ant people. They don't bite other people. They just bite like sharks and fish.
Alrighty,
And sometimes they eat the motor up and they swallow it and they spit it out.
Really?
And that's the end of the story.
That's the end of the story, is it? Alright.
And there's a bit of more stuff that's...
Where are you going now?
Tornadoes.
What else is there with Cornados? You tell me.
Sometimes they eat rocks.
Cornados eat rocks, do they?
Yeah.
Oh, right.
Cornado fish, Cornado sharks, Cornado ants, and Cornado butterflies, and Cornado everything around the whole wide world.
Really?
They eat pretend fish and pretend sharks and pretend everything.
Really?
Yeah. But they don't eat people's houses.
Don't know. What about Cornado birds? Do they eat kangaroos?
No.
No.
They eat fish and sticks
Do they?
and fire.
They eat fire? What sort of fire?
Fire that's already got ash on it.
Oh, there's fire like that fire in there?
No.
No?
Right. This is a fire that has these bits of wood that you need to cut out. So you put a bit of fire on there so they cough, and then
Where are you going now, mate?
Then they put them on that piece of paper, and then they smash it with the stick, and then they run really fast, and then suddenly they've gone on the tree and went sideways, and then they walk across, and then they see if they can fall down, and then he slipped with his foot again, and then he went rolling down everywhere, and he splashed in the water, and then he was gone. And that was the end of the story.
Really? Well, that's cool, mate.